So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change domain name on BigCommerce. So the first thing you want to do once you log into your BigCommerce account is go to the left. You will see home, orders, products, customers, storefront, marketing, analytics, apps, channels, as well as settings. I suggest you click on settings. From here you can see setup like store profile, currencies, payments, locations, pickup methods, shipping and tax, general stuff like website, display, share, date, URL structure, search, security, miscellaneous. You can see orders, products, then you can see marketing, and you can see your domain. So it says here domain name, buy a new domain or add an existing one. So you can change it through here. If you click on domain name, it's going to open up here. Please update your primary contact before purchasing or adding a custom domain. So you need first to set up all of your personal info or primary contact info before you do that. But on here it says before adding a domain, you'll need to upgrade your store, which means you will need to go from this I'm using right now a free trial to a paid subscription, and you need to check if that paid subscription offers the change of domain name. But you can change your domain name just through there. As I said previously, it's going to open up a website that looks something like this, and you will see a page in which, or rather a pop-up in which you need to type in your new domain. It will check for you if it's taken already or not, and then you can just rent it out or buy it on here. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on BigCommerce or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.